Hello everyone, welcome to Einstein's Workshop virtual learning page. I want to take a minute to introduce ourselves and let you know we're offering to help everyone get through this challenging time. On this page you'll find a number of videos, activities, and resources for you and your kids to watch. Hopefully you'll find some fun and interesting things to learn and play with. We know that materials and supplies can be challenging, so we are trying to bring you activities that use supplies you have at home or use online tools and software. We are also doing live social events with Lego, crafts, STEM activities, and more. So keep checking back on this page to see those events listed here. Most importantly, we are offering all this content for free. Why are we doing this? At Einstein's Workshop, we truly value our community above all else. We believe that kids learn best from each other and from the expression of their most valued interests. This is a really challenging time for a lot of people, socially, academically, and financially. So please, learn, enjoy, and maybe your student will find something that they're passionate about. I do want to note that we are taking donations at the bottom of the page. This is by no means easy for our staff and our company either. We are pushing as hard and as far as we can, but if you are in a less financially impacted place, then we would truly appreciate your support. So thank you. Keep checking back and stay healthy, everybody.